What's the meaning of celandine? Celandine. Celandine.
Celandine. Celandine. Celandine is a noun that refers to a plant with yellow flowers and lobed leaves, often used for medicinal purposes. The name celandine comes from the Greek word for swallow, as the plant was said to bloom when the swallows returned. Celandine is also known for its toxic properties, with the sap of the plant causing skin irritation and even blisters. Overall, celandine is a plant with a storied history in medicine and folklore, known both for its healing properties and potential dangers.